So a lot of people have been asking about the differences between the CloverBook Pro XL and the MirrorPad Pro video magnifiers. So I thought I'd take a minute today and just kind of try to show you some of the differences between these two great devices.
Welcome to iReAT, Braille and Low Vision.
First of all, right out of the gate, the price is the same. Now, both the MirrorPad Pro and the CloverBook Pro XL both also have protective carry cases. It makes it a lot easier and a lot more portable to take them with you. Both the CloverBook Pro XL and the MirrorPad Pro are both lightweight devices. The CloverBook Pro XL is just 10.4 pounds, while the MirrorPad Pro is just 8 pounds. So they're very light and portable. Both MirrorPad Pro and CloverBook Pro XL include OCR TTS, so you can scan documents and have them read back to you aloud.
New 16 inches foldable touchscreen magnifier with OCR and distance view.
And both CloverBook Pro XL and MirrorPad include an additional camera that you can use for self-view for things like grooming, or you can use to point at a distance to see things like a presentation or a smartboard. Both the MirrorPad Pro and the CloverBook Pro have split screen option, so you can actually view both cameras simultaneously. So perhaps you want to see a presentation and also take notes at your desk. You'll be able to see both cameras simultaneously with the split screen view on MirrorPad Pro and CloverBook Pro XL. If you'd like to import or export documents, both these will allow you to do it. They have an SD card slot. You can just slide the card in and save documents or import documents, and then you can export them back out to your computer. It's nice if you happen to have these devices in the same environment. You're using them between different people perhaps. They both have very similar controls and they both have pretty much the same user interface. So it's very easy if you can use one of the devices to quickly switch and be able to use the other one effectively. Both devices have multiple control options, including touchscreen. Makes them very easy to use. Now, starting with differences, there is a slight difference in screen size. With the CloverBook Pro XL, you get a 16-inch diagonal screen, whereas with the MirrorPad Pro, you get a 17-inch diagonal screen. Now, another difference is the CloverBook Pro XL has a foldable design, which allows it to fold down to an especially small size. There's an extra screen option with the CloverBook Pro XL. You can get an additional 16-inch screen that slips on the back, connects with the included HDMI cable, and then when you're using the split screen option, you're not sharing your screen, you actually have a dedicated screen for your near camera, as well as one for your distance and self camera. You also, with the CloverBook Pro XL, can scan up to an 11:17 document. So if you want to scan something like an entire magazine spread, you can do that with the CloverBook Pro XL.
Chives are a great way to freshen up your food by Gene brand.
Now, if you want to connect devices, that's where the MirrorPad Pro really stands out. You can connect devices through HDMI if you want to connect your computer or something into the CloverBook Pro XL. But with the MirrorPad Pro, you not only get that ability with the HDMI port, but you also have an additional USB-C port, so you can plug in your phone, you can even control an Android phone. And being that you get a portrait option on the MirrorPad Pro, where you can actually turn the screen, that makes it particularly useful for trying to utilize it to view your phone. So with MirrorPad Pro, you get the slightly larger screen, and you get the portrait view, and you get device connections. Reach out to us in the comments if you have any questions about these devices, or you'd like to find a distributor in your area. Make sure to subscribe to the iReAT channel for more great videos on the latest in Braille and low vision products.